Good morning and happy Sunday, Lean community. It's Ben here from Lean into Life, Organize Your Family Home. So what I've been doing is applying Paul Akers' principles and his teachings and the teaching of others to the home setting. So I don't have a factory at this stage, but I'm applying it in my home. So here my today's 3S video is in the laundry. And I don't really like to show my laundry to other people, but in the interest of being transparent and showing an example of my small improvement, my tiny daily improvement, here is my laundry in its current state. I've had a lot of success in my laundry, but as we all know in the lean community, sometimes the standard slips and things need to be 3S'd again and again. So let me play the video. Here is the state of things beforehand, and I'll just show you that underneath this laundry, underneath the tumble dryer, there is a whole lot of keys and lint and coins and everything's getting stuck underneath here. So a variety of things are getting stuck underneath. So that's one thing that needs to be addressed. And the other thing is that all of these things are out of place on the top. So what I did is I applied 3S. Oh, I should just say one of the inspirations for this 3S video is a friend who wants to know how to sort out something in his house. So I thought rather than tell him and try and explain it, I'll show him an example. So anyway, the first S in the 3S system is for me is to shine. So I get out my microfiber cloth and I clean the area. And in doing so in the lean community, one of the principles is that when we clean, we uncover defects. We uncover things that can be improved and fixed. And in this case, cleaning that lint area underneath the tumble dryer uncovers the idea that, well, how can we stop? How can we stop that from happening? So what I do is I get a bit of cloth tape. I'll pause it there if I can. And I stop the lint and coins and keys from getting under the tumble dryer. It doesn't look amazing, it doesn't look that amazing, but it does the job and it's flexible, it's adjustable, so it doesn't have to stay like that forever. If it is something that works effectively, I can always change it so it looks a bit more aesthetically pleasing. So that's the first improvement, that's the first standardization I made to stop the defects from happening again. The second thing I did, I got up my label maker, but it didn't quite work. So instead, I thought I'd put a bit of tape on both the top of this, the underneath of this tray, and the product above it. And so that tray is actually, it's actually stuck to that spot, which is a great standardization. But in order to improve it, I'm putting the colored tape so the 4 teenagers in my house know exactly where to put the laundry products once they finish using them. So that's my improvement video for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great Sunday. I'll catch you later.